Hello guys, welcome back to Zake, the programming guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Hevy Workout App. So I know a lot of people have heard of the app and would want to try it out, and they don't know how to use it. The first thing you have to do, you go to your Play Store, your Apple Store, and search for the Heavy Heavy Workout. So you click on that and you're going to see it right here. All you need to do is click on install and open up the app once it's installed. So as you can see, you need to actually sign up on the app with your Google or your email. So I'm going to go up with my Google to make it faster. So I think it's just going to take a few seconds to actually load up. So you have to pick the Gmail. So let's wait for it. So now you have to put in your username. So I'm just going to use this as my username. And okay, someone has used that already. So I think this one is perfect. So I'm going to click on continue, and you can actually allow the notification, but I won't because I don't like notifications at all. So you click on your weight, and I don't even know my weight. That's the main thing, the distance and the body weight as well. You set that, and you can enable connect as well. So you have to go to your phone settings to actually arrange that. So let's just click on get started. So okay, I'm going to have to allow all this. Click on allow. So you have connected that, so we'll skip on that because you can actually even subscribe to get more small features and unlimited routines, and you get unlimited history, you get unlimited costume exercise, you get track all measurements and support your dedication team and the rest of that. So you can actually subscribe for pro monthly for 2,408 naira in Nigeria currency, and 8,000 for yearly, and lifetime for 26,000 naira for a lifetime. So you can actually subscribe to lifetime because I think it's better. So you can see a lot of things that you need to compare with when you're using a free one or a weekly as well. So let's get right into it. So once I've connected that, I'll click on not now and just keep. So you can see they say we can send EU emails, tips on how to get most out of Hevy and the rest of that. So I'm going to click on show. You can sync your contacts to see your friends, find your friends on working out that are working out as well. So they'll welcome you and click on continue. So I think I'm going to skip this part. So here is where everything happens. So here is where you get to pick where you head the app from. So I'm just going to pick on Google search, and now is where you get to do the new routine and the rest of that. Pick, and you give it a routine title, and you can explore routine as well. You can pick the ones you want to do, push-ups and the rest of them, and pick the routine. And you can come here to edit your profile, your statistic, your exercise and measures calendar. So that's literally how it works. So I think they also give a lot on when you finish up your exercise, and they give you the history. That's why you need to subscribe to the app. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and you can always subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.